Hey guys, we're here today in Nashville and we're going to Hattie B's. It's one of our favorite places to eat. It's hot chicken and all kinds of yummy goodness. So we're going to take you along with us. Okay.
Alrighty, would you like a drink too?
Yeah, that drink.
Yeah, go for it. Alrighty, and you don't like anything else?
Yeah, peach cobbler with ice cream.
With ice cream on top or on the side? On top?
Pretty cool. Oh, it's really touchy.
Okay, like I said, we're at Hattie B's. This is a restaurant that is native to Nashville, Tennessee. They specialize in hot chicken. And the cool thing about this restaurant is that it's not like a waited restaurant. It's basically you line up. Usually there's a big line outside. Today we got lucky and we just came in and was able to join the line to order. So you order what you want. They give you a little card and then you can come sit down and wait on it to be delivered to your table. They have all kinds of chicken, of course, but they've got bone-in, boneless options. They've got snack options, and they have some peach cobbler that is out of this world. So we're going to have some of that today. So yeah, it's just a really good place if you like hot chicken to come in the Nashville area and give it a try. We've eaten here several times, and we just really enjoy it. So. Yay!
Got a nice dirty bird.
Dirty bird, yes.
Got a tender.
Thank you.
Bag of baked beans. Does everything look good?
Everything looks fantastic.
Great. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you guys enjoy it.
So I have got the Dirty Bird fries, which is sprinkle cut fries, pimento cheese, mac and cheese, pickles, and just tender bites. So, and they are tossed in medium or mild sauce. I am a wimp today, so we'll check these out and see how they are. And Charles got a tender dinner that comes with, what, 3 or 4 tenders?
Yep.
Your choice of sauce. You got the mac and cheese, baked beans, and it comes with a piece of toast.
I got it in Southern.
And yeah, because he's a bigger wimp than me. So we'll see how these are. Alright, so let me see if I can get a bite here. A little bit of everything. A little pickle, a little fry, a little mac and cheese, and a piece of chicken. Very good. Just a little bit of heat. Actually, probably could have got a little bit hotter because I'm not really feeling much heat at all. But very, very good.
Okay, these baked beans are probably the best baked beans I've ever had. They have little pieces of sausage in them. Absolutely delicious. Tell me to stop eating, please.
It's so good, isn't it?
Tell me to stop eating.
All right, so now we have gotten the peach cobbler. Give me a peach cobbler or banana pudding as the dessert, and we also like to top it with ice cream. So they bring you a cup of ice cream and the peach cobbler separate. So we're gonna see if I can get a bite, and we'll try it. Okay. Some ice cream. Go in for a dip of cobbler. This is gonna be messy. Okay. Help. Okay, here we go. If you like peach cobbler, this is some of the best peach cobbler that I've ever had. Seriously. My mom makes a mean peach cobbler, and this is on par with hers. And like my grandma's that she used to make back in the day, it's absolutely delicious. It's not too overly sweet. There's just the right amount of peaches to crust ratio. Oh, it's so good. He gets the benefit of using two hands. I don't. What do you think?
I think it's delicious.
How does it rate on your peach cobbler experience?
11.
11 out of what?
5. You keep filming. I'm going to keep eating.
Oh, no, give me another bite. All right, guys. So we just finished up a wonderful meal here at Hattie B's in Nashville. Highly recommend this place if you're looking for a good chicken place to eat in Nashville, especially for Nashville hot chicken. They've got various levels of heat, all the way up to what they call what the cluck, which is fun. I've not tried that. I've only been able to go to the hot stage, and it was pretty hot, made me sweat pretty instantly, but everything was delicious. Charles's tenders were good. My Dirty Bird fries were good. The cobbler and ice cream were delicious. If you can see behind me, the line has started to form. We were here early, so we got in pretty quick. Overall, it took about 45 minutes to eat. This chain does have about 10 locations around the United States. There's 4 here in Nashville, and this is where it originated. You can also see these in Atlanta, where there are 2 locations. You're also going to be able to see this in Birmingham, Dallas, and Las Vegas. Did I get all those? Yeah. Okay, so look for a Hattie B's near you. Cannot recommend this place enough. We are not sponsored by this in any way. These are just our own opinions and what we like. So thank you for coming along, and until next time, friends, we'll see you around. Bye.
Hattie B's is about 2 things: fried chicken and love.
This isn't a chicken restaurant. This is a memory-making restaurant.
Sit down for fried chicken. It's a pretty great sort of equalizer. It brings people together.
It's an environment, it's a feeling, it's an atmosphere, it's a way of life, sister.
When you get a basket with a cold beer, there's just nothing better.
Nashville hot chicken needs 2 things: great southern fried chicken, and it needs to be dunked in hot melted spices. That whirlpool of love with a touch of hate is what makes Nashville hot chicken what it is, and that's exactly what we do here at Hattie B's. All of our chicken comes out of the fryer with no heat.
Look at that. Like magic.
Then we move into our everyday heat level. These are mild, medium, and hot. If you're a daredevil, damn hot, which introduces a lot of habanero pepper to the mix, and then our shut the cluck up. This is an onslaught of ghost pepper, habanero pepper, cayenne pepper, everything we've got, we're throwing it at you.
My favorite part of working here is when people think they can handle the shut the cluck up sauce.
Yeah, at first it wasn't bad. The aftertaste, once it settles in, man.
We laugh all the time. I'm like, yeah, we make a lot of grown men cry here.
You do it for the love, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna have to go with ice cream, vanilla ice cream. It's the only way you get past that. Hattie B.
My go-to order is a 3-piece chicken wing whole meal and then my side of honey mustard, baby.
I love the chicken sandwich, but the coleslaw, the comeback sauce, the pickles, it's perfect.
Go-to tenders. I love the tenders.
When I come in on a day off, I typically get the half burn. That plate is just fantastic. Mac and cheese and greens.
We've got a lot of traditional, Southern, grandma-approved sides and desserts that are perfect to go along with our hot chicken.
If you're gonna get anything, make sure you get a dessert. I think it may be my favorite thing we serve more than the hot chicken, honestly.
Dessert is, I think, is favorite for everybody. The little sweets after the spicy chicken.
The banana pudding has a tendency to kind of cool the palate. I'm a cobbler guy. I love peach cobbler. It's my favorite.
These are traditional Southern recipes. We're proud to keep those family traditions going.
There is a lot of time and attention to creating the experience at Hattie B's.
I think that the overwhelming thing that we really try to do is make it fun. Not just fun for our guests, but fun for us as well.
People are excited. We're excited to see them. We're grateful that they came in. We're getting them food that they love. It's a party.
Man, I be jamming, dancing around when people come in. You know, I got my hey, happy welcome to Hattie B's going on, you know, but they can feel the environment.
There are tourists from all over the world, all over the country that come and see us.
They stand in line for a long time here. We want to make sure that once they get through that line, they know how important that is to us, that they've invested that time.
This is what makes the blood flow right here. Is seeing all the energy, the excitement, the enthusiasm, the love that these people put into all these guests out here.
Our staff and the people that work with us are an extension of our family. It's something we take a lot of pride in. We seek out locations that are unique and eclectic neighborhoods, communities that are diverse and bring in people from all over the city. And we're not just sort of an end cap on a strip mall. We want to surprise people at sort of every turn.
Customers out there, they like who we are, the authenticity and the originality of what we have going on, and we're incredibly blessed to have that. We're not a restaurant chain. We are truly a group of people out here with common interest in giving other people throughout the country the opportunity to taste Hattie B's.